Now let's practice these problems together in the guided practice. So if you look at number 1, it says, what is the solution of this system of linear equations? So it says number 1, are they both in y equals? Yes. If it's a yes, go to step number 3. It says type in equations in number 1 and number 2. So I'm just going to go here for number 1, y equals negative 3x plus 4. And number 2, y equals 3x minus 2. And then from there, these instructions are for the TI-84s. We're not doing that, so we're just going to find out the answer. And the answer on this one is where they're crossing. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. They're crossing right here, which is at 1, 1. And that's the way I'm going to type it out here. 1, comma, 1. Let's go for number 2. It says here, what is the solution of this linear equation? So again, these are the steps. It says mark with a question mark. Are they both in y equals? No. So that means we need to solve for y. So on this one is y equals divide. We're going to do that division here, which is 3, opposite of positive x, negative x. And on the bottom is the number in front of the y, which is a negative 1. This one, y equals divide. Move the cursor to the front. Negative 3, opposite of positive 7x. Negative 7x divided by the number in front of the y, which is a negative 1. So let's start typing in the calculator what we just did right here. So this is y equals divide 3, opposite of positive x, negative x, divided by the number in front of the y, which is a negative 1. Number 2, y equals divide negative 3, opposite of positive 7, negative 7x, divided by the number in front of the y, which is a negative 1. And we're going to find out where they cross. So again, I'm just going to click the home button, and here's my answer. They're crossing at negative 1, negative 4. So let's just put the answer right here. Negative 1, negative 4. Let's skip the steps and let's just go automatically to decimals. So on decimals, we're going to delete these two for number 3. So it's y equals divide positive 2, opposite of positive 4, negative 4x, divide by the number in front of the y, which is a positive 1. Number 2, y equals divide 3, opposite of positive x, negative x, divided by the number in front of the y, which is a negative 1. As you can see, we have graphs here. Where do they cross? Right here, which is at 1, negative 1, negative 2. Let's go on to this one right here, number 4. Try this one on your own. Pause the video and to see what the solution is at. Now look at this answer right here. They're both crossing at 2, negative 1. So I have 2 and negative 1 here, but look at the question. Which one is the value of x? We know that the x is the first number, which is a 2. So my answer right there, it is a 2. Sometimes they will ask it like that, not the whole point, but they will ask you for the x or the y number. So let's go on to the next one. Y equals divide 10, negative 4x divided by 2. Y equals divide 13 minus x divided by negative 1. Where do they cross? They cross right here. Answer is 6, negative 7, but it's asking for the x only, which is a 6, and that is your answer right there. Let's do the same thing for this one. Y equals negative 5. Y equals divide negative 20 minus 5x divided by 4. They cross right here, which is a 0, negative 5. they says they're asking for the x number, which is A0. So now you have several to do over here on your own, just 4 of them. So let's try the 7 numbers. The number 7, it says y equals divide 0 minus x divided by 7. And the other one is y equals divide 22 minus 2x divided by negative 8. They're crossing right here at 7. See, they're giving us a 7. So what is the y value? Negative 1. You're going to try the next 3 on your own. Just fill in the numbers to see where they're crossing. Submit, and let's see what you get on this one.